Hello everyone, today is August 25th and what I'm showing you here is the Atlas line. Now the Atlas line software is very interesting because what it does, it not only creates this yellow line that you see here, but it also provides these pullback and strength trades. Now there are rules involved with this, and before I get into the review for today's Atlas line trades, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. There are risks involved with trading. So the first signal here on the micro E-mini, so I'm showing you here the micro E-mini S&P, happens to be right at about 951, 41, 52, 75. So this is the first signal, the main signal that is long for the day, and then you have these additional pullback and strength trades that are seen here by these P's and these S's that you see here. Now you can turn on the pullback and strength trades. So let's say you just wanted to see the pullback trades, you can go ahead and turn them off, and now we have only the pullback trades. If you wanted to instead only see the strength trades, you can do that as well, but I prefer to have both the pullback and the strength trades on my charts. And by the way, the pullback trade is a great trade. I tell everybody that I work with, when looking at a pullback compared to a strength trade, the pullback trades are really key. So I'm going to turn on the pullback trades and the strength trades and keep the main signal on. And for today, it was a very good day using the Atlas line, the first signal here of the day, 41.52.75. And typically, I look to make at least 1 times the ATR, maybe trail a stop. Even if you want to take a small portion of what the market can do, this went, I don't think this was an issue here, to move at least 10 points up if you wanted to trail a stop. But then again, that's up to you if you want to take just a small piece of the pie, if you want to hold on to it. So this is the micro E-mini. Now, as we get into later in the day, you see here additional pullback and strength trades, and we continue and continue, and then the market started to go down. And there are no signals here as the market goes down because we want to look for long opportunities, and there were no long opportunities here until we come here until the end of the day here, or to the mid part of the day, about 1 o'clock. We have another signal here to go long. This is a reflection of what's considered a bounce off of the Atlas line. It produces a signal, it closes below and then comes back and comes back up. Another opportunity here to go long towards the 1 o'clock New York time. And as we continue here, there's just a few other signals here towards the end of the day. I don't think it's worth taking the trades this late in the day, but there were 2 signals here, 1 strength trade and 1 pullback trade here at the end of the day. So this is the micro E-mini S&P, and it's very similar if you take a look at the regular E-mini S&P. So if we look at just the regular E-mini S&P, we have here very similarly on the E-mini S&P the same signals, which doesn't surprise me because we're looking at the micro E-mini similar to the E-mini S&P. I tell everybody to start off with the micro if you're a new trader before jumping into the regular E-mini S&P. That way you can get your feet wet, learn. You don't lose a lot of money if the trades go against you or if you make any mistakes, and then you can go ahead and start looking at the regular E-mini. So you can see it's very similar. What about another market? Let's say the NASDAQ. So if I looked at the NASDAQ market here, and I have a lot of traders that look at the NASDAQ market for today, we have a long here at 12,983.75, and then again strength trades and pullback trades and strength trades and all really good signals here on the NASDAQ market. Very similar, as you can see, with the financials. What about a different market? So if you look at a trading method or trading indicator or trading system, it should be, if it's based on price action, universal across different markets. So let's take a look at the crude oil. And so the crude oil is completely different market. It's below the Atlas line, so it's short signals instead of long signals. And you see here there are a few short signals. There was a long signal here and here, but then you have a short, another short, and then you have additional short trades on the crude oil, multiple 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 signals here on the crude oil to go short. And then towards the end of the crude oil session, you also have here another pullback, strength trade, and so on. So again, a good market to trade is the crude oil if you're interested in trading the energy sector. I also have here the news indicator, which is important because the news indicator allows me to first know if there's any news events on any market that I choose, whether it be European, the US financials, energy sector, if there's somebody speaking. So the news indicator is a great asset. We can download it for free. We have a free download section at DayTradeToWin. You can also get it if you're part of the free member account. So if you're interested in joining a free member account at DayTradeToWin, you can also download the news indicator as well as a few other methods like the ABC method and learn really how to trade price action using what we teach here at DayTradeToWin at no cost to you. If you have any questions, visit DayTradeToWin.com, give us a call, and I'll see everybody at the next video. This is the Atlas Line recap for today, Thursday, August 25th, 2022. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the DayTradeToWin YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.